Now let's dive into the world of dates. We'll explore Power BI's date hierarchy and drill down functionality. Plus, we'll add another visual to make our report even more detailed. This time we will add a stacked column chart. Let's look at how our profits are trending over time. So in this visual, what we'll do is drag our profit column into the y-axis, and for time we will use our order date column from orders table. We'll drag it into our x-axis. When you add a date field to a visual, Power BI automatically creates a date hierarchy, which breaks down the date into multiple levels like year, quarter, month, and day. This makes it easy to explore the data across different time periods. To remove hierarchy, you can either right-click on orders date or click on this inverted arrow kind of icon. And here towards the bottom, you will see two options: order date and date hierarchy. Currently, date hierarchy has been selected. If we select order date, it will take out all these levels and just give data per day, which is not very useful in this case. So let's bring back the date hierarchy. In visuals with date hierarchy, you will see these icons appear inside the visual, which help you to drill down or drill up in the levels of hierarchy. So let's start by clicking on these two double arrows, and you will see this button lets us move from one level of hierarchy to the next. For example, currently we are looking at profits by year, and when we click on go to next level, it will take us to profits by quarters across all years. Clicking it again will take us to month level and then to day. To go up the level, we'll click on this drill up icon and it takes us to the broader view. Now let's look at this button that has two forks coming out of one. It is a button that expands the level of hierarchy. The difference is that it allows us to see multiple levels at once. For instance, instead of just viewing the data by year or quarter, it will show year and quarter together, giving us a more detailed view within each year. Going further down, it will show profits by each month of each quarter in each year. And similarly, it will include day in the next level. Okay, now let's drill up and let's set it on quarters within each year. Next, let's format our visual. We'll head over to our format pane again and go into visual x-axis. Let's turn off the title for now. Let's turn off the title of x-axis. And let's similarly turn off title for y-axis by expanding y-axis and clicking off the toggle. Now head over to journal to change the title of the visual. Expand the title option and in the text we'll replace it with the title of our choice. Let's set the title as Total Profits Over Time. Now let's change the color of the columns by going back to our visual section and from there expanding the columns section, and under columns you will see colors option. Let's set the color as purple for this. So I'll expand it and select the color from a color chart. And now let's also center align our title. So we'll go to title, we'll head over to journal, title, and then center align it. Let's add another visual to look at our profits. We'll go ahead into our visualization pane again and bring in a bar chart. So let's pull in profits column in our x-axis. Once it's there, we'll split it by our subcategories. So we'll drag and drop the subcategories field into our y-axis. So now you can see all of the subcategories in our visual. There are a lot of subcategories. Let's filter the visual to show us top 5 most profitable subcategories. So we'll set the filter type to top n, say 5 in our show items, and drag and drop profits field into our by value section. And our visual will be filtered for top 5 profitable subcategories. Now let's format our visual. Let's start by turning off the title of our x-axis and y-axis. Once that is off, let's change the title of our visual, and under title section we'll change the text to total profit by product subcategories. And that's it for this lesson. We now have 6 visuals on the screen.
Whoa, I didn't realize dates had so much to say. This is definitely a game changer for organizing time-based data.
Absolutely. Date hierarchies are essential for analyzing time-based data effectively. On another note, with that last visual we have run out of space, so let's see how we can tidy up all these visuals next.